We do not have wash basins, so we're using the kettle trough that they drink in to wash these blankets. The blankets have stayed.
I am cooking fat cakes for breakfast. Is this it?
This was breakfast. Chicken.
Hello guys, welcome to yet another vlog with me. I am currently in Windhoek. It's the 24th of December 2025 as we speak. I am supposed to go do some grocery shopping. I'm footing towards Van Hill. I'll go to Checkers. That's where I'll grab some of our goodies. My sister, my younger sister and my mom are on the way from Swakopmund. I just called them now. They said they passed by Usakos and that's like the first town coming from Swakop to Windhoek. And by the time they get here, mind you, your girl did not even pack. I did not even pack. I need to buy my stuff and then go back home to pack my clothes and my bags and everything. So I need to be really fast, you know. And you know, first of all, I'm pretty sure the shops are packed. But I'm just hoping I finish before time so that when they get here, we just get our goodies together and head to Oshinene. That's where we'll be going. We don't want to go do shopping there because we know by the time we arrive there, the shops will probably be closed. Okay guys, let's go shopping! Guys, we haven't even driven out of Windhoek yet. I met with my small sister and my baby niece. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi. Hi. Subscribe. Hi. So that's the bus that we're going in. That is the vibe. Now we just came for a food shop. We wanna go buy some chicken. Mango Chidavi. And then this is the final stop before we drive out of Windhoek. So guys,
yeah, so we'll let you know when we get the food and we'll let you know what we get.
yeah. I actually forgot I was vlogging.
You know, it's so weird passing by people well.
But I don't get used to it. We just got the food. It's like Wednesday special. It's 3 pieces of chicken and fries from Chicken Inn. And guys, we are en route. We are in the bus as I speak. Currently, it's now almost 8 o'clock. We haven't driven out of Windhoek yet.
We get everyone.
Oh. Guys, we have arrived in Oshinene. You won't believe the time, guys. It's 1 o'clock and we are at Oshinene service station. This is my small sister Ambishita. She wants to be in my vlog so bad. And that's my mom. And my niece at the back. And that's Puma service station. Guys, the service is full and it's 1 o'clock. Like, I was expecting it to be empty. Look at the Merry Christmas sign. We're at the clinic and this is our bus that we came in. So we're looking for cars to go to our village, to hike to our village. This is my beautiful mom. Yo, it's nighttime and this camera does not flash. Shure. And that's my niece. Ouch! Damn it! And this is our bags and bags and bags. Okay, video. So guys, we arrived last night at the village. We're at the village as we speak. Madam Me is cooking fat cakes. So we eat breakfast. We haven't eaten breakfast and it's already like 10. So this is the situation in my little kitchen. That is my mom. Mama, say hi. Hi. Yeah. She's resting. And we are washing our blankets in this water tub, guys. Show you guys a hi. Isha, hi. This is Shoya. He's our helper at the farm. He's a very good guy, guys. Like, he's so disciplined. Doesn't drink, doesn't smoke.
Like, he's just the best worker you could have. We found all our thingies in here. Shuere, welcome to my vlog. Isha, hi. Isha, hi. Hey, Isha, subscribe. And this is Bishita. She's doing laundry in the water trough. Guys, we do not have wash basins, so we're using the kettle trough that they drink in to wash these blankets. The blankets have stayed for long in the tent by themselves, so they need some cleaning. And my babies are all here, guys. We have a little bit of addition to the family. Look at that. Look at those two cute little ones. Hey, boobies. So yeah, come watch me make some fat cakes. You guys think I'm bougie and all that? No, baby. I'm wifey material. I'm joking. I'm not at all. So this is my foot cakes. Oh guys, they're sticking together. It's actually the 24th today, so it's like no, the 25th. It's like Christmas. I'm sure by the time I post this, it will probably be end of Jan or mid-Feb. So guys, Merry Christmas in advance or late. I don't know what to say. And B, my younger sister has cooked this delicious chicken. Looks juicy and yummy. We are waiting to eat it with the fat cakes. And we hang the boerewors here. We hang the boerewors here because we don't have a fridge. It's a village, guys. This is our tent that we sleep in. Did I zoom in this thing? This is our tent. We are washing out the whole place so it's neat and tidy. And this is all the goodies that we got. So after cleaning up the blankets, we're gonna have to pack all of this stuff in. Like all our bags from last night are still out. So yeah, and this meat needs to be cooked and eaten ASAP because otherwise it's gonna go bad. It's so hot in this place. It's so hot. So let me go back to doing my cooking. And this is my niece, my mom. My baby is sitting at the kutu. So yeah, Isha hello Gwandwanje. Isha hello.
Hello.
Kore.
Kore.
Ah, Rikana say. This is Shoya. Isha subscribe. Yeah. Hi, baby. Shuere. Isha subscribe. Kodo Isha subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bishita say subscribe.
Subscribe to my girl's channel, guys. Please, thank you.
That's the spirit. So this guy. I am cooking fat cakes for breakfast. Is this even breakfast? It's almost 12. Dog, we arrived at 3 in this place, so we are tired. So the door is in the other pot. Watch me make these cookies, fat cakes. And show my face. Okay, Mama say go to. Oh, Ishani, welcome to Gas YouTube channel. Welcome. Wow, don't put my people under a lot of pressure. Let me look. Corre. Ishani, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Oh, where's you go?
Kakuloa.
Rika, no, where's you go?
Opono.
Oh, Pono, where's you go?
Karapo.
Karapo, where's you go?
Ikambura.
Oh,
Kaku.
Kaveku. Kavisu going. Oh, where's you go? Chikambura. Oh, where's you go? Oh, where's you go? Oh, where's you go? Oh, where's you go? Omgwakiand. Omgwakiand. Nonsense. Okay, Merry Christmas. Ishani, Merry Christmas. Okay, thank you. This was breakfast, chicken and fat cake. Guys, we are making a fridge, our village fridge, to go put this a VV. Check how we're making the fridge. Should I bring the whole 6 pack?
Yes.
So Bishita is making a fridge. There she is. We are done washing the blankets. We just need to go rinse it out with clean water. Kashi. Kashi ka uningo. Ogusha. We will dig a hole, put some water in, and then put in the savivis there, like that.
Yeah.
And then they will stay cold. I'm gonna bring the rest of the 6-pack and the beers. So yeah, Mushavi. Gadu sepi? Oh. Okay, my mom is saying the first location of our fridge is not ideal. So we're gonna make our fridge. Guys, in a village you emphasize with making your own fridge. So in this bucket, we just tie it up in a blanket. We wet the blanket and then we put our water in here. And then you drink nice cold water. Not my mom saying I should speak Herero. Ogusha, ni matunguru isa side too. Povi mama. Matunguru isa. Okay. So, Madu Tomo the savannah. We're putting the savannas in a hole. Thank you, shall we move more life and you should give me away. So we are thank you discover something new because of us. This is a young group in January. She gets you here. We are packing the savivis. Oh, there's also mama's beer. Okay, mama is saying she's making her own fridge because she doesn't approve of our fridge because we made it outside of far from where everyone is. But we're not about to dig again, guys. We're exhausted. We need to go sleep.
Yeah, me 3.
Oh, Mungre. Mungre. Mother, she told you. Mungre? Oh, Ongurem. Otomehi. Which is Shamba? Okay. So next we're gonna pour water into our fridge. After putting the savannas.
Water already. I'm just waiting for it to go in again so that I put in the sand and then pour water on it again.
Yes, that's the process of the village fridge. Yes, you guys are welcome. Okay, these are the food cakes that I made. Some of them we ate for breakfast. Don't they look darling, guys?